They told me it was an avalanche. They lied. My men didn't just disappear. Something up there made a choice.
Every civilization, every century, same creature, same mountain.
I've been up there before, came back alone. Never told anyone what I saw, because nobody would believe me.
I'm going back. I'm looking it in the eye, and whatever happens on that mountain, I'm bringing my men home.
Same warning. This isn't a legend. It's the last living proof that we are not the oldest thing on this planet, and I will not let them destroy it.
But it let me go, and I've spent 5 years trying to figure out why. Guess today, I get my answer.
I don't need permission. I don't need a team. I need answers. That mountain took everything from me. My men, my career, my sleep.
Every generation warned the next one, not to hunt it, not to capture it, to protect it. We are standing in front of the most important discovery in human history, and they want to put it in a cage.
Here's the thing about that creature. It had every reason to kill me. It didn't. That means something. Whatever it decided about me 5 years ago, I'm not about to prove it wrong.